You've seen VEO 3 and it went viral. VEED just dropped VEO 3.1 and it is next level when it comes to AI video generation. So in this quick demo, I'm going to teach you how to turn your idea into a fully edited video in under a minute. So we're inside VEED and we've got VEED's AI playground with every AI video generator out there. Choose VEO 3.1 and then type in your prompt. Now you'll want to describe the scene in as much detail as possible here to get the best outcome. And remember, this time round, we've got audio realism. It means you can include sound effects, voices, and the tone of voice, as in you can make your character sing and they'll actually sound good. So then you can go ahead and hit the sparkle icon and choose an image that best fits your vision, or you can choose to hit skip image selection. So VEO 3.1, it instantly writes a script, generates scenes, voiceover, and visuals all automatically. So just like that, we have a video that looks like it was filmed in a Hollywood studio. Let's check it out.
Strange. I guess nobody's home.
Basically, this is your new shortcut to studio quality content without ever having to touch a timeline. So try it out for yourself in VEED, link is down in the description.